Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jham, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. Okay, so for today, I'll be applying POSH Nails Nail Wraps Instant Nail Art. And here are the nail wraps. It also comes with a wooden stick and nail file. So now let's apply it. First step to do is wipe nails with alcohol. Then choose the right size. Third step is to remove top clear strip, then peel off the base. Then place the rounded side on the cuticle area, then stick on firmly to the nail until it is wrinkle-free. And remove excess strip by filing. Then let's repeat all of the steps until we're done with all of our nails. As I apply POSH Nails Nail Wraps Instant Nail Art, it says on the packaging that no dry time, easy application and non-toxic, long wear, no special tools required. And it also includes 16 nail wraps, nail file, and wooden stick. And by the way, this doesn't have a strong odor. And here are my nails. I'm really loving this design and it's so sparkly and very colorful. You can order these nail wraps on POSH Nails at Shopee. I'll be leaving the link below, so don't forget to check that out. And you can follow POSH Nails on Instagram and POSHDailyPH. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram to get the latest updates and more. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!